Ever wondered why the sky is blue? Not purple, not green, not orange, just blue. Most people probably remember faintly what their science teacher told them in 7th grade about something to do with sunlight and the atmosphere. At least, that's the part you remember before you dozed off in class. But what if I told you that explanation skips the most interesting part? Because what you're about to discover is not only why the sky is blue, but this will explain why sunsets look red and orange, why clouds appear white, and even why space looks black. Sunlight may look bright and white, like grandma's dentures, but it's actually made of many different colors combined together. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue are all part of the same light. When sunlight reaches Earth, it enters the atmosphere and collides with tiny gas particles, mainly oxygen and nitrogen. These particles are much smaller than the wavelengths of light. Because of that, shorter wavelengths scatter more easily than longer ones. Blue light has a short wavelength, so it spreads out in all directions as it moves through the atmosphere. This scattered blue light is what makes the sky appear blue from almost every angle. And what's weird is that the color violet actually has shorter wavelengths than the color blue. And that means we should be seeing a violet sky, not a blue one. So why isn't our sky violet then? Well, I'm glad you asked. You see, the reason comes down to two things. First, the sun produces more blue light than violet. Second, human eyes are much more sensitive to blue light than to violet light. As a result, the brain interprets the sky as blue. And here's where your mind gets blown. The sky is not actually blue.
Wait, what?
Space itself is black. The sky only looks blue because of how sunlight is scattered before it reaches your eyes. If Earth had no atmosphere, the sky during the day would look dark, even with the sun shining. This same process also explains why sunsets look red and orange. When the sun is low in the sky, its light has to pass through more of the atmosphere. During that longer path, most of the blue light is scattered away. What remains are the longer wavelengths like red and orange, which reach your eyes at sunset. And get this, those little puffy cotton balls floating around in the sky we call clouds. They have a mind of their own. They appear white because the water droplets inside them are much larger than gas particles. These droplets scatter all colors of light equally. When all colors are scattered together, the result is white. Now, here's where things get wild. If Earth's atmosphere were thicker, or if the sun emitted different wavelengths of light, the sky would not be blue at all. Some planets already have red, orange, or even pink skies. Earth's blue sky is not universal. It is specific to our planet. And that makes you wonder, did I actually learn anything from my 7th grade science class?